Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to our new video. In this video I will going to show you how to change theme color in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First we open our Microsoft Word and click new menu and click blank document. Then we go to the file menu and click option. Now we see the general option and we see the office theme. We select dark gray or white or colorful. Now we select dark gray option and click OK. Now our document is dark gray color. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.